morning, Giselle here. Today I will share to you how I editing my video. After I'm taking the video, I will show you how I edit. So I am using only the application because I want to download a bulky videos, like for example every day. So I want to put the Premiere or schedule to show the YouTube there. So easy for me. I already download a lot of the application to do the video editing. So I'm using the iMovie, Video Lip, and then a lot of thing like for the intro also I'm using. But normally I never use intro a lot because some like me I experience that I'm watching all the videos, a lot of intros which is I don't like it also, that not really direct to the point. So I want to be the direct to the point. When I open pop like that, but of course if you want to do the intro, it's very good for you. So I would like to show you today how I'm editing my videos using only the application and using in my smartphone. So when I'm using my smartphone, I'm using only the Kinemaster application. It's really fantastic. It's really good. So if you want to use, it's very convenient. You just, easy for you to do. Okay, like example, now I'm taking the video. After this, I pass to the Kinemaster. Only the exporting is quite longer. So you want to use that. So I advise everyone to use the Kinemaster. Easy for you to download. No need to do like, for example, you use the Canon, then you have to go to the laptop. So it's very not convenient, easy. I want to be a flexible, like you have to carry it, pop, download, then edited Kinemaster, then pop, go to the YouTube directly. So you can direct to the YouTube. If you want to do the like editing from the Kinemaster, direct to the YouTube, you can do that. So very easy. The iMovie is a bit longer because the iMovie is go to the laptop, must go to the PC. So other thing have the visually also have, but a bit slow. So a bit slow for me. So the rest is like an intro maker also I'm using, but I have no patience to do it. So I am only show you how to do editing using the Kinemaster. Kinemaster is very good. Of course, you have to pay a bit of money from, like example, you want a lot of like an art, like an arrow, like a song. If you want from that, like without license, like no copyright, sorry, no copyright. So you have to go and see that they also selling that from the Kinemaster. I never buy. I'm using the free only. So I'm using the free application. I'm using all the like an arrow, like overlay. I'm using that only for free. So if you want more and more, you can press that they have a store. So you can press there. So you can buy if you want. You have to purchase. So no, I'm not really advised that. You just use the free first because you just started. If you really, like successful YouTuber, you are already more and more, then if you want to be like that, because I only want to be a simple YouTuber, I want to show me, I want to share to everyone my knowledge. So I will show you how I'm doing my blogging and how I do the editing doing my blog. So for me, it's really easy, the video from the smartphone and then using the Kinemaster. So when I'm using the Kinemaster before, because I checked from the other YouTuber, how they use how they edit, how the video, so it's very easy for them. They can download most of the time. So example, I have a lot of content. It's not easy to take the video. Somewhat when you want to do the editing, so very difficult for you. So what I can do, I just try my best to do the Kinemaster using the Kinemaster. So I advise to everyone, okay, today is happy Monday. So time check, pop, what time now? 6 o'clock. So I can do the blogging. I have a breath on my face, huh? A bit pretty now. I'm just showing you guys. So I will show you how I do the editing the Kinemaster. It's very simple. I will share to you because me, the first time I'm doing also is not easy. It's like you know, I don't like it also, some of the application, because they have to pay more. So they don't want to, you know, like example Filmora, I have experience. Just now I try my best to do, but the only one thing is the watermark is in the middle, so you have to pay for that. So I don't want to do that, so I want the free. So the Kinemaster, they give the free, a lot of the emoticons, like an arrow, you know, like a looking good moving in the sticker, you know. So they have that, like a sound effect, they have a free. So you can do that also, outsiders, like sound effect free downloading. You can download from the Google, you can search from there, so you can download from that, you know. So you must double check the copyright. I advise you double check the copyright, because I do the copyright already, so I did deleted the video. So that is what I advise you. Use the Kinemaster to taking the video editing. It's really possible and very fantastic. Okay, so I will show you now. Okay, so good afternoon. Today I'm Jhaycellhanya. Today I will show you how I edit my application on my video using the application Kinemaster. So I press here, you can see my face brighter. Yes, okay, simple face, very simple. Okay, so I will show you how I edit my video with using by Kinemaster. So media, I press here, sorry, here. Okay, so yeah, I'm finding the media for this. Be back to normal. We find this one, the video. Oops. Oh, sorry, we are wrong. So we come here, up here. Okay, so I use this one, 16.9, not point. Okay, so I drag here. Okay, not the cloud storage. Sorry, my hand is here. Okay, we press, like for example, I have already the media here. So example, this one I want to upload. So before that, I want the intro. If you want to have an intro, you can put, okay, a bit longer, takes long. Wait, okay, here, if before this, we have to put the intro. Here I have an intro here. Okay, so I put here. Not this one. Oops. Okay. Not this. Okay, we take out this one. We delete this one. We don't use it. Okay, we have to find here got voice changer, you can use that. So if you want, we find away another type. Okay, wait on. Okay, we delete this, we don't use. So we put this one more, because I did press wrongly, sorry. Okay, like that. Oh, okay, already in the beside that. Okay, so here you can check again. See my Jhaycell blog, my name is there. So example like that, I want to put here to sleep.
I want to sleep.
Very naughty, don't want to sleep, so I put her like that. So if you want to put one more pop, like example like a text, okay, you can press. Okay, you can press. Okay, here you can make it bigger, then you can see. So I put a color. The color is I love green, so I put the green, or this blue color. Not ready. Blue color. We blend the green color. Okay, then. Okay, we will too big, then easy for to see. Okay, so we have to put that. I put the please is sleeping, please sleep. So I put one more layer here, and if you want the effect, so you can put the example, okay, like this. Okay, you just press like that, can. So check. Can check. So line shaft here, press example. Okay, you can double check. Look at that, very nice. You can do the effect. You can press here only the layer. So see how is it good that you want to, if you don't want to see properly the face, if you want to do the like an art, if you want to be nice your video, so you have to find here from the layer, you press, or this one, the overlay, you press the overlay. If you want the like an arrow, example, this no signal, but this the no signal is quite a bit long, so you make it shorter. Make it shorter. Okay, so not really long. Correct. Then we have to check, is it correct? We do. So now I can do it properly. So if you want the music, you can add. Here already have a music. So if you want the music like fantastic music, is okay. We use this breakdown like that, so we can hear later on. The media more if you want, or you can, okay, you put here handwriting also can. This one, you want this up. Okay, so press this for effect. No, not effect. We are using the overlay. We are using the overlay again. Like example, the arrow. You want the arrow like this. You can use up. Here you can use from here. The arrow is what? Here. Pop. Okay, we double check. How is it the arrow? It's nice. Very good. So this is how I edit my video. Actually, I did try a lot of video editing application, but so far is I'm using iMovie also. I also am using the another one more, Video Maker. I'm using a lot, so I'm using a few of the application, but since I'm watching the few of them, so I check the Kinemaster whether it suit for me, that I have a patient, because some of the video maker is I got no patient, so it's very difficult for me. So this one is really suit for me, so that's why I try really use this. Again, I add one more if I need to use some more. Okay, what's going on. Okay, just add, or you want to take the photo here. If you want to take the camcorder also, like that. If you want to mix, oh, okay, sorry, we don't do because we don't